This video shows how to buy shares of Cullen/Frost Bankers Inc. and explains the basic steps to purchase CFR on NASDAQ. Cullen/Frost is a regional bank providing commercial and consumer banking services. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. You need a broker to trade stocks, and we will use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document and add funds to be able to buy. Use the platform search field and type the ticker CFR to find the Cullen/Frost listing. Confirm the search result matches Cullen/Frost Bankers Inc. on NASDAQ before proceeding. On the asset page, you will see a short company profile and a price chart showing recent trading. Check the company details and ticker to confirm this is the correct stock. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order will be scheduled for the next open session. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once executed. For convenience, the example broker link is in the description below.